Etsy sellers, imagine showing your product in action without even owning or opening a camera. Today, I'm going to show you how to create amazing product placement videos to use on social media to help promote your products. And this is really, really cool. All right, so jumping right into it, here is the platform that I'm using. This is HeyGen, and this is, you can use this to create AI avatar videos of yourself or use their templates. And one of the features of this is product placement videos. So you can basically upload your product and have the avatar or your own avatar talk about the product. You just give it a script. So this is really, really cool. Here is an example. This is for, this is just using a random mug that I uploaded in here, and then this is one of the avatars that they provide, and then I wrote this script. So here we go. Here's a good demo of this.
This is my new water support cup. I never leave home without it. I take it to the gym, work, school, running, and skydiving. I like it more than my boyfriend. But shh, don't tell him that.
All right, so I wrote that script and had it generate this. Here is one that I did using, so you can upload your picture and then you can upload your voice. So you have to have, use this other program, 11 Labs, to clone your voice. So it's a little bit more complicated if you want to do it this way, but I uploaded my picture and then used my voice and had it create a video. I uploaded this script, so this isn't me, this is basically an avatar of me. It looks pretty close, but it does a decent job, and I uploaded this product here, which is this little stuffed animal thingy.
This is my amazing stuffed animal thingy that will become your new friend. Take it with you to work, to school, to the pool, or even on your next date night. It's sure to impress any girl.
All right, so this is really cool. This just provides a lot of opportunities, especially if you don't like being on camera. You can literally use one of their avatars, upload your products, and then create these user-generated type videos to then share on social media, on Pinterest, wherever you want to share them. So how you do this, if you go into the apps, you go into product placement, basically you upload your photo of your product here. So make sure it's, I would say, white background, clean photo to be able to use. And here's this, it basically gives you sample photos, which is what I used. I used this sippy cup. And I used this little stuffed animal thingy. But basically, you just click on a photo, and then you can click on, these are the sample avatar photos. So you can include one of these, and then basically hit generate combined images, and it'll give you some options to choose from of the kind of the style that you want in your video. So we're just going to give it a couple of seconds here for this. And here are the different styles. So this is where your product is going to be held. This is obviously placeholder products. So once you select one of these, then you can hit next and basically generate a script. So you can have it type in here exactly what you want this avatar to say. And then basically you can also include gestures or facial expressions, which is pretty cool. And then you can also select the voice. So they have, HeyGen has all these default voices, or again, if you're doing yourself, you use 11 Labs voice, you can basically upload that here and just use your own voice. But again, if you're only being in front of the camera, you may just want to do the avatar from here and use one of these voices. So depending on what you want to do, this HeyGen to use is $29 a month. 11 Labs is $22 a month. However, if you have it generate, if you want to use the 11 Labs voice in HeyGen, it's going to cost you significantly more. Right now it's $99 for that. So that may, deter you from wanting to do that as well. But there's a lot of really cool things that you can do with these avatars. So one of the other things that I've done, not to get in the weeds too much, that you can do as well, is you can use this other program, N8N, to create a workflow from using your avatar from a script or from a blog post. So basically what I have this doing is it will basically pull my blog post or any blog post, review the blog post, write a script that's around a minute long, basically have my avatar do that script, read that script, and then whatever, it'll put a picture behind my avatar of the actual blog post. So you can use this if you're writing your own blog post for your own products, and just have any avatar or your own avatar basically read this script, and this automatically posts on YouTube for me, or Facebook, or Instagram, wherever you want to have this post. So this workflow does all that. So here's an example of this workflow in action. I have this automated. It runs a couple of times a day and generates videos based on whatever blog post I give it, whatever, basically whatever URL I give it. So here is an example of that, because that is really cool. There's a lot of options that you can do with that. If you have your own blog, if you have your own products and you want to talk about features, benefits, some different things that add value for your audience, this is a great way to do it. So here is an example of that using my avatar clone, my avatar voice, which again, this is a little bit more expensive. You can do a HeyGen avatar and a HeyGen voice, and you're not going to have to do the API stuff, which is a little bit more expensive. So here's an example of that. So this is the article behind me that it automatically puts there. And then my avatar will read the script that I have a prompt for that is automatically generated.
Hold on to your seats, because a revolutionary change in search is shaking our world. Today, we're diving into how Google is paving the way for the future of finding information by blending smart ideas.
So that's an example. I'm not going to let her read the whole
Google's
thing, but this is on just SEO strategies. So that's another really cool thing that you can do. So product placement videos, you can do social media type videos, adding value for your audience, especially if you're writing a blog, or you can have it again generate whatever you want to generate, tips, whatever you want to have it do. But this is really cool. This is just the start. There's a lot of options for this, but I wanted to share it with you, especially for product placement videos, and especially if you don't like being on camera. And if you guys want more help growing, starting, building your Etsy business, a positive motivational place to come, hang out, and learn, jump over to the Etsy Games VIP program. There's a link below. You can join for free. After that, it's just $10 a month. Super inexpensive investment. Similar programs are literally thousands of dollars. I wanted to make it very easy for you to come, learn, get motivated, have fun. We do one-on-one coaching calls, group coaching calls. Every new member gets a one-on-one coaching call with me to talk about strategies, talk about growing your business. So it's a good springboard. So there's a link below. Hope to see you on the other side. That's it for today. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.